In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove grid padding on Squarespace using Fluid Engine. Whether you're aiming for a cleaner, more minimalistic look, or simply want to fine-tune the spacing on your website, adjusting the grid padding can be a game changer. Squarespace's Fluid Engine gives you the flexibility to make these adjustments, and I'll walk you through the process step by step if you're new to Squarespace, or maybe you haven't explored all its features yet. Don't worry, this tutorial is simple and easy to follow. If you don't already have a Squarespace account, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and get started. All right, let's dive in. First, head over to the Squarespace website and log in to your account. Now, if your account is linked to Google, you can also use the Continue with Google option instead. This is especially helpful if you prefer not to remember additional passwords. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of all the websites you have access to. Click on the one you want to work on for this tutorial. Now that you're in, navigate to the website's configuration area and look for the Edit button. This button allows you to make changes to your site's design and layout. Go ahead and click it. Next up, identify the specific section of your website where you want to adjust or remove the grid padding. It could be a page, a block, or any grid-based structure within your design. Once you've located it, select the Edit section option. Keep in mind that we're working with Squarespace's Fluid Engine here. So if you don't see this option immediately, double-check that the section you're editing was built using the Fluid Engine layout tool. Now, within the section editor, look for a setting called Clode Border Gap. This setting is what controls the padding or the spacing between the grid elements on your site. By adjusting this, you can create a more cohesive and unified look for your layout. Think of it as tightening or loosening the spaces between tiles within a mosaic. It's all about how much breathing room you want between your content. Once you've located the Clode Border Gap option, it's time to adjust it to your liking. Drag the slider or input a specific value to get the spacing just right. For example, reducing the gap can create a sleek, modern feel, perfect for showcasing visuals or text without unnecessary clutter. On the other hand, if you prefer a more open and spacious design, you can increase the gap for a lighter, airier look. Take your time here and experiment with different spacing until it aligns with your design vision. Once you've made the adjustments, it's a good idea to preview the changes before saving. Squarespace allows you to see how your edits will look live on your site, so use this feature to ensure everything looks as polished as you envisioned. If something doesn't feel right, go back and tweak the settings until you're happy with the outcome. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. This step is crucial to ensure that all your edits are retained and show up correctly on your live website. Without saving, your hard work could be lost, so make sure to click that Save button before closing out. And that's it. You've just learned how to remove or adjust grid padding on your Squarespace site using Fluid Engine. By refining the spacing between your grid elements, you can create a cleaner, more professional design that enhances navigation and boosts engagement for your viewers. If you have any questions or specific topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, feel free to drop a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.